Myself, Professor R.J. Kavade, Department of Chemistry, KBP Mahavidyalaya, Pandharpur. Today, we are going to perform one experiment from TYBSc level. One experiment, that is determination of percentage purity of ferrous ammonium sulfate from the given solution of potassium dichromate. This is the aim of your practical. See, you are given a sample of ferrous ammonium sulfate, and we are going to find out the purity of the given sample. So for that, just I want to introduce, or I want to give one procedure in short. First of all, you will have to take the weight of the sample is in between 4.8 to 5.2 grams. So already we are taken a weight, and that weight of the sample is about 5.180. So this is the sample, weighed sample. You will have to take the weight in between 5.2 to 4.8 grams. Okay. Now next step is to prepare the solution of this sample to 250 ml. That means you are, once you weighed that sample, you prepare the solution to 250 ml by using 2 normal H2SO4 and distilled water. Okay. Then this pipette out 25 ml of this diluted solution and titrate it against dichromate solution using diphenylamine indicator, and take 3 readings, find out the constant burette reading, and by noting this reading we are going to calculate the amount of that percentage purity. Okay, so we start now. First of all, this is the weighed sample, so you will have to prepare a solution 250 ml. So first of all, you transfer this sample into the beaker first, then add 1 test tube, 2 normal H2SO4, add 2 normal H2SO4, 1 test tube, you dissolve it, stir it well, then you add distilled water. That distilled water I already taken in beaker. Okay, dissolve that sample in minimum quantity of water. Here, stir it well, dissolve it, and then you transfer that sample solution in a 250 ml beaker. So I am transferring this solution into 250 ml beaker. Okay. So total volume you have to make about 250 ml exactly. So okay, we are now diluting that solution to 250 ml exactly. So in a volumetric flask. Okay. So you transfer that water and dilute exactly to 250 ml exactly. Okay. This is the diluted solution. You will have to make it homogeneous by inverting it. Invert that volumetric flask and shake it well. Okay, so this makes a homogeneous solution. Now the next step is that pipette out this 25 ml solution in conical flask and add 1 is to 2 normal H2SO4 and tap 2 to 3 drops of diphenylamine indicator and titrate it against dichromate solution. So we will have to fill the burette with dichromate solution, adjust the zero level. Okay. Now you fill the burette with dichromate solution and adjust the zero level. Okay, now this is the diluted solution. You collect that diluted solution in the beaker first. Okay, now repeat out this 25 ml of this diluted solution in the conical flask. Yes. Okay. Now in conical flask, collect that solution in conical flask 25 ml. Add to it 1 test tube, 2 normal H2SO4, and 2 to 3 drops of diphenylamine indicator. Okay, now you titrate that solution against dichromate end point, that is from green to violet. Okay. See the end point. Take the reading. End point is appearance of the violet color. See, this is the violet color. Okay, so this is our end point. Now you note the reading. This one, yeah, reading is something. It is a 9.4. So this is the reading of your titration. So you repeat this for 2-3 times and find out the constant burette reading. And once you know the constant burette reading, then you do the you use that burette reading for the calculation. Okay. So this is the procedure how to find out the percentage purity of the given sample of the ferrous ammonium sulfate. Okay, you note that reading, repeat the procedure for 3 times and find out the constant burette reading and use that constant burette reading for the further calculation. You put the value, call this as x, and put the value of that x in the calculation. Okay, fine. Okay, Thank you.